Hello, my name is Charity Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how I make my overlays or borders for my videos for Streamyard. Now, I already have my border downloaded that I'm going to use for this tutorial. And keep in mind, there's so many ways to do things in Photoshop, and there's so many other tools or methods that you can use, but this is just the method that works best for me, and I'm going to share it with you. So what I do is I hit Create New. I use a 16 by 9, 300 pixel inches, RGB color transparency, and 16-bit, and I hit create, and then I go to where I've already downloaded my image. And by the way, I get this image from Innovative Elements. I have a subscription with them, so I get to download thousands of different pictures. So what I do is I take the lock off of the layer so that I can move it. I move it on over to my 16 by 9, and now I have an image that fits perfect into the recording stream. So what I do is I take my rectangle marquee tool and I kind of measure how thick I want the border. So after I do that, I see I've outlined my border. Then I hit edit image, cut, and now I have a transparent layer with a border, and then I hit file, export as, and I always do 2040 8 pixels, and then it automatically computes the height for me, and I do a PNG and I keep transparency selected, and I hit export, and I'm gonna do desktop. I'm gonna label this Streamyard border. I'm gonna wait until I save. Okay, now I'm in my Streamyard work area. So I'm gonna upload it in overlay. I hit upload, and I already actually had one made previously, but I'm just gonna re-show you again. Open. Waiting for it to load. Now I have my border, and now all I have to do is add myself to the stream, and voila, there you go. And you can also add font to your border, whatever you want, you can do that. So I hope this helped and you guys enjoy this. So goodbye and have a wonderful day, and please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel.